Hello everyone. In this video, let's build an automatic street light control circuit with LDR sensor. Till now, we have learned how to work with relay, and we also know how to use transistor as a switch, and we have also used LDR sensor. Let's try to put everything together and build a small project out of this. You might have plans to do many IoT projects wherein you want to control many home appliances like the light bulb or a fan or any other home appliance. This video will give you an overview of how to control a AC appliance using a relay and the LDR sensor. In this video, let's take the bulb as an example. So we'll be controlling this bulb through the relay with the help of LDR sensor, which we are going to connect it later to this circuit. If you are directly connecting this bulb to the main supply, then you would just take two wires and connect to the mains, and the bulb will start to glow, right? But in this case, we want to control this bulb using the relay and the LDR sensor. So instead of connecting both the wires directly to the bulb from the mains, what we are going to do is we will cut the connection of this wire. So now this is an open circuit. Now we are going to make the connection between these two wires through the relay. So this wire goes to NO and this wire goes to COM. So this is how you are going to make a connection of a AC appliance to the relay. Now when you turn on the relay or when you energize the coil of the relay, COM and NO gets connected, and the connection between the mains and the bulb will be made. And this is how you can turn on or off an AC appliance. Now let's go ahead and connect the LDR sensor circuit and complete this circuit. I'll be using a 10K resistor and the LDR will be placed here. And this junction will be given to the base of the transistor. And let's connect plus 5 volts here, and the other end of the LDR sensor is connected to ground. Now we have the circuit ready for the automatic street light control with LDR sensor. Let's build this circuit and see the circuit in action. So we have a bulb here with a 2-pin connector that goes to the socket. Right now the two wires are directly connected to the bulb from the 2-pin connector. What we need to do is we need to cut one of the wire and we have to pass it through the COM pin and the NO pin. You can see here how one of the wire has been cut and that is being passed through the COM pin and the NO pin. Let me turn over the relay and show you how these wires are connected. You can clearly see one end is going to the COM pin and the other end is going to the NO pin. Now the connection between the relay and the bulb has been made. Now let's build the circuit with the transistor and the LDR connections. So this is how the final circuit would look like. Now let me turn on the flashlight to simulate sunlight and see what happens to the circuit. You can see that the bulb is turned off as soon as I bring light close to the circuit. And as I remove the light away from the circuit, the bulb again turns on. So this is how we can automate a street light. So when there is sunlight, the street light will be automatically switched off, and when there is no sunlight, the street light will be turned on. If you closely observe this circuit, there is a drawback in this circuit. So what if I change this value to 100K? So try to build a circuit with 100K resistor here instead of 10K and observe what happens to the circuit. So when you change the value to 100K, your relay stops working. So please comment in the assignment in Google Classroom what happens exactly when you change the value from 10K to 100K and why the relay doesn't work when you make it 100K. And the drawback in this circuit is you cannot vary the sensitivity of the LDR sensor too much, because as you start increasing the value of this resistor, the relay stops to function. So I would like to give you an assignment. So try to figure out what changes can be done to the circuit so that even when I replace this resistor to 100K, from 10K to 100K, even then the circuit should work. So the relay should turn on irrespective of the resistor value which I put here. So that is the assignment for the next session. So please think through it. How can you make the current that's flowing through the relay independent of this particular resistor? So I'll just give you a small hint. You can actually cascade transistors and come up with a circuit. So with this hint, try to build a circuit and then submit your assignment. Thank you for watching the video.